Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. I'm Simon from Andover Norton, and as usual I'm in amongst the shelves taking a look to see what items are back in stock for your Classic Norton motorcycles. So let's take a look this week and see what I've found. First up is part number 063417, that's the rear brake shoes in a pair, and that is £38.34 including VAT. Next up, the inner primary chain case fitting tool for all Commandos is £13.17.08, and that is £8.34 including VAT. We've got the fuel level checking kit for the Amar carburetors Mark 1 versions. That is £13.16.88, and that is £13.14 including VAT. Next up, part number 065561, the oil pipe rocker feed is £47.94 including VAT. And finally this week, part number 061328/D/M, that's a silencer clip assembly, is £5.94 including VAT. And as always, if there's anything I've not mentioned this week but you'd like to know when it comes back in stock, you can set yourself up a really simple email reminder. So when it comes back on the website, you'll get an email sent to you saying that item's back in stock, so you can get hold of it before everybody else does. And if you want to know how to do that and you're not too sure, there is a link in the section below which will take you through the whole process on video. And that link is also there with all the other links for the items I've mentioned this week. Anyway, thanks ever so much for watching this time, and until next week, safe riding.